morning mga kapuge. So we're going out of town and we're going to celebrate Dad's 72nd birthday at the beach in San Luis, Batangas. We're going to Oceanara mga kapuge. So ngayon convoy tayo with Kuya Dennis. Nandun sila daddy sa kanila. So we just met here in Petron South Expressway, and Mommy is still sleeping, and Yaya and Dane is there at the back. You say hi, Dane. I think she's putting makeup. Alright, so there they are in front of us, mga kapuge. And so we'll see you there later, mga kapuge. Woohoo! Yeah. Hello, kapuge. Dito na tayo sa Corcolon Lomi House. Alright. We are here at Corcolon to have our breakfast. Jumbo ba yan?
Ito po yung good namin for 4 persons, sir. That's overload toppings na po. Yan na po yung kompleto yung toppings, sir.
Good for 4.
Yes po.
Oh, birthday boy. Thank you. Okay.
Una na kami, ha?
Jumbo road yan?
Number 13 po.
Itulok mo lang. Oo.
Nag-ulintin ka ba?
Eh, di birthday pa eh.
May mga halo-halo, may lumpia.
What's up mga kapuge? So we just had our breakfast in Corcolon Lomi House here in San Jose.
Pakita mo yung tira, Daisy.
Anyway, so we're on our way now to Oceanara. That's a sobra na mga kapuge.
Ang dami yan, sir.
Leftover.
With chili.
Kasi nakita nyo kanina, no? Yung aming in order is like it's jumbo solved. So there's a big chicharon there.
They put everything.
Yeah, everything there. There's
Sisig.
sisig,
Sarap.
there's lechong kawali. Yeah, and kung si daddy bumili ng chicharon din.
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, give mo na eh.
Sige, ayaw mo lang. And then there's also lumpia and dynamite with the meat inside now. So that's why it's not very spicy. Not really spicy. And a lot of things. And there's fried chicken also.
Yeah, Daisy like the fried chicken.
Anyway, so we're going now mga kafuge. Andyan sila kuya on the other side. So we're just gonna follow them. Alright, see you later. Woohoo!
A few moments later.
I love Banoyo. Oh, Banoyo. Oh, there's the beach.
Wow, crazy. Ayaw yung malapit na.
Maybe you're close already.
Build your tent there now. Go down na.
Puro
more
ano,
free.
it's low tide. It's low tide. Madaming isda dyan. Oh, we're here already mga kapuge. Oceanara. But we're gonna park first. Yeah. No, we're going down. Hello mga kapuge. We're already here in Oceanara. Diyan kami magka-camping mga kapuge. I think
Maaga pa.
somewhere up there.
Wow naman, Tinis. Hawaii.
Si Mami, oh, nakatakpog-pugi shirt. That's Ikay. Ikay. Ta. Oceanara. Ayun, si birthday boy. Oh, birthday boy. You are already relaxing?
Yes, I'm here, the birthday boy.
Kita ba ako dyan?
Yeah.
Siyempre, kita yung aking mahal na net,
Apo?
niece, no, niece.
Apo? Oh, niece.
Ay, hindi ka na,
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter. Granddaughter ko pala ito.
Yeah, go.
Maglaro.
Yeah, you play.
Meron ba dyan? Volleyball?
Good morning, mga kapuge. What's up? Yeah, that's the birthday boy, Mr. Danny Dizon, mga kapuge. Si Kuya Dennis. Kuya. Okay. Mali. Mali. Mali yan. Parang si Daniel. Parang kayo lakad ah. Parang kayo kang lakad sa malayo. Hindi, kayo dalawa. Parang kayo maglakad.
Nice naman pala yung ano kasi day. No? Oh, nice naman siya.
Okay, Kapuge, that's where we are going.
Nice yung house. Gusto ko pwede na sa akin yung house day. Lagyan mo na lang ng taas. Diba Daisy, no? Maganda pala pag black and white. Ha?
Samahan tayo.
Naiwan na sila mami dyan. Maliit lang. Meron din. Baka yan yung sinasabi.
Yung maliit lang.
Oo. Tama?
Okay, mayroon yun. May tangkuwa sila ng doon ng dahon.
Okay, Kapuge.
Ang bigat eh. Sa at Daisy. Yung gulong. Sirahin gulong natin.
Hindi. Kalbo na siguro or ano. Mabigat tayo eh.
Daisy, baba ka muna.
Kakyatin mo ko ng gan.
Barata. Pwede na dito?
Oh.
Okay, Kapuge. We're already here sa campsite. So it's exclusive, no? So, yan ang gamit natin. Ayan, so dami. So puno. Kaya ang hirap umakyat kanina. Yeah, my tires are more than 4 years already. So traction could be less. And set up tayo ng ating tent. We're gonna set it up here. Yeah, there. And that will be the view. Okay, Kapuge. We have here the lavatory and the toilet for shower and for deposits. And there's another lavatory here, and that's free water also. Yeah, this is for drinking. Good. And you have this shed. There's a table there also, and there's some chairs. Okay, Kapuge, we're just gonna have our lunch. This is their room. Ikay!
Oh, kaya ikaw na isip ko, nakita ko. Sabi ko na ako sa
Ikay!
princess ito.
Okay. So lunch.
A few moments later.
So you can see mga kapugin, no? Yung paligid. Yeah, so it's nature. And you can see the sea. Nice. Alright, so we'll just get set up, okay? Woohoo! What's up mga kapuge? Yes. So we already set up our tent. Yeah, here. Alright kapuge. Yeah, set up na, no? And this is the view, no, from our tent. Wow. And we'll have our grill there later on. And they're staying inside. Oh, what are you doing? And Yaya. Yaya also. Oh, they're sleeping already.
Pinapagod ko sa pag-pump.
Wow, kasi naman merong electric, hindi dinala. And there's Mommy. Hello, Mommy. Yeah. So this is how our setup looks like for this camping. Ayan yung birthday cake ni dati, oh.
Yung joy.
Birthday bulalo cake. Oh, patapos na.
Hindi, alam ko. Alam ko.
Ayan, birthday. Happy birthday.
Ilan na yan? 2, 47. 5. Para kang na trumpet.
Gulay. Yan, adobski.
Delikado pag
Yan, at ipo.
ulit. No?
Ay, ba't may sili?
Alam
Tuna.
mo, merong bat. Maalala mo noon.
Okay, kapuge. Kakain na tayo.
Wala ka nang alala.
Alright.
Na yung may polio siguro yun.
Early the next morning. Good morning mga kapuge. Yes. So it's already 6 o'clock in the morning and we have a very nice weather right now. It rained last night and the temperature was so nice. It was not hot. So we'll be having our breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning now. We'll see you later. Alright. Okay kapuge, nandito na sila Derek and Daniel. Say hi to my vlog. Yeah, do a vlog here.
I want to go to the
Hey, careful, that's hot. That's hot.
I want to go
Bless.
to the beach now.
Hey, bless first. Let's have breakfast muna.
No.
Mm.
No.
Lisel.
Hi.
No.
Wow. Nice camera. Look at the camera.
No.
Ner.
Hello, Kapuge. Breakfast.
Paper plate pa ba tayo?
Nandito na sila. Ayan na, si birthday boy. Oh, mali pa rin. Yan.
Sino yan?
Ayan, breakfast natin. It's part of our,
Gamitan mo nito?
Our breakfast here.
O chicha.
The best breakfast
bulad.
here. Wow. And then this one.
Wow, may star.
Casino.
And then here, another one here.
Yeah. Kasama yan sa ano natin mga kapugi sa ating booking.
And then here.
Free breakfast. Even kahit sa ano pa nagka-camping kayo, magka-camping kayo kasama na yan sa ano nyo, babayaran. Yeah.
Kayo, magkano ba yun dito?
950 per person.
950.
Oo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3.8.
3.
Pero exclusive sa iyo tong ano. Ito, exclusive yan. Wala kang ibang ano na ano. Pero syempre sa iba mas mura, pero hindi ganito. Hindi siya ano, walang yan. Okay, Kapuge, we're going to the beach now. So hindi tayo naglakad.
Oh, we're gonna bring Marshall.
Hey, you say hi. Yes, that's Kapuge. Okay, Kapuge. This is their ano no, mga accommodations nila. Good for 4. I'm not sure if they have good for 2. Maybe there they have the good for 2. But this one's good for 4. I think it's about 8,000 pesos or more. So we're going out to the beach. Let's go, Daniel. And Ate Dane. Oh, what's happened? What happened to your ano? To your neck? There, oh, it's red.
Oh, good.
Hello, Dane. Dane. Look. Look. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Uy. Ay, nako. Ay, mga anak yung mga teenager, no? Anyway, see you later. Okay, Kapuge. It's low tide. So, you're going there? Huh? It's a resto. Me too. Dali dala. Madali. Kapuge. Oh, Kapuge. Kapuge. Where's Kapuge?
No photo.
No photo. See? Oh, we're just swim here.
No, it's not
No. Hi. Go swim, guy.
How about Marshall?
Yeah. Ah. Lamig ah.
How about Marshall?
Woo. Ha, there's ikay oh. Ewan ko lang.
Oh, don't ano.
Diyan ka lang.
Go down. Yung ano mo, yung goggles mo para makita mo yung ulan. Look at the fish. Tutupo mo.
No! Ako matapang ka! Let's go! Kaya ka lang.
Ako diri. Buo butang ding. Buo butang ding. Dad. Very good fish. Dad. Dad.
A few moments later.
What's up mga kapuge? Woohoo! Good morning. It's a Sunday morning and we're already checking out here in Oceanara in their camping site, no? So actually this is exclusive for us. Yeah, sa lahat ng dito avail nung kayo ng camping area, the site will be exclusive for you. Ang maximum ata nila is 30 persons, pero kahit isa ka lang, you pay the rate of 950 pesos and you'll have this exclusive area for you for your camping. Na? Alright, let's go mga kapuge.
Go where? Go home.
Everywhere. Look at that mga kapuge, oh, the view. Alright. So when you're going here, no, just make sure na your brakes are working properly. And medyo it's kinda very elevated.
Steep.
Yeah, it is very steep. Alright, kapuge. Yung towel. Ano ba yung Bossing, sorry ka yung towel.
Okay.
Opo, clear naman po. Clear na po.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Alright, Kapuge, we just checked out already and we got our deposit.
Kaya nyung maintay saglit, may veggies lang po kami papadala.
May?
May veggies po kami papadala. Dalhin ko na lang dyan.
Dito lang. Sige. Kya? Saglit lang. Meron silang bigay na ano daw, vegetables. Galing siguro sa ano nila. So mga nag-camping yata. Parang gano'n.
Thank you.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you, gift po.
Ano pa mahal nyo, te?
Hazel po.
Si Ate Hazel.
Sige po, ingat po kayo sa biyahe.
Okay. Ayan o.
Kayo, wala kayo?
Hindi, yan yan. Oo, para may gulay kayo. Para pakay mo sa daan ng gulay.
Ingat kayo sa
Sige pa. Thank you. Bye, Kai. See you later.
Alright, Kapuge, so we're already checked out. And
Nag-enjoy sila.
we're going home na, but we're gonna pass by a resto for lunch na. Siguro kasi magta-12 na rin. Alright, so ayan Kapuge. We enjoyed. Day, did you enjoy? Even you didn't swim? Actually maganda yung kailang tubig, no? Yung kailang yung dagat nila. You can find a lot of fish. There's because they have a lots of corals, not carol. One carol. So anyway, we were able to talk to the owner. Kasabay namin sila nag-swim dun sa may area na At they have also a Labrador. Anyway, so ayun Kapugi, ang ganda ng ganda ng tubig nila, ganda yung mga isda doon, maraming isda. So actually yun yung gusto ko sa pag nag-beach. Yung Oceanara, you saw it naman yesterday. Malinis yung room nila, may mga basic amenities na doon. Actually I think bago pa lang yan, nung nakausap namin yung owner, sabi niya yung rooms mga bago pa lang daw yan.
Yung cafeteria. Yung location ng cafeteria sa
restaurant.
Hotel.
The restaurant. Yung salary nila, yung kailang reception area, din yung restaurant nila. Although we did not eat in the restaurant kasi nga we had our breakfast na dinala ni Kuya. Okay naman, marami naman servings nila, no. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung presyo ng breakfast kasi it's part of the accommodation, even sa camping.
Bit expensive.
Yeah, but you have the yung basic na kailangan mong malinis na restroom and yung lavatory and then toilets. Yeah. So and also kaya nga yung kailang fee na 950, 950 pesos per person because maging exclusive sa iyo yung area. Kahit dalawa lang kayo or isa ka lang siguro, you'll have that area just for yourself. Exclusive. Yung comfort meron din doon, kasi may mga electricity, water, and then free drinking water din sila, no. What else? Tsaka presko, no. And kasi overlooking tayo dun sa beach. Very naturesque. Tama ba yung word na yan? Anyway.
So, if they want nature,
yeah.
close to nature,
So, you get maraming insects kayo makikita din.
I saw a big
Spider. Sigaw daw si Mami.
And then, you can hear at night yung tukok.
There were lots of geckos last night, no?
Pero you can hear lang naman.
Yeah.
Don't see them.
Yeah. So, we had a very good rest last night. Ayun, basta camping naman kahit basta sa amin importante lalo pagkasama sila, may magandang CR. Ako, kahit saan naman, basta may CR, may paliguan, okay lang sa akin. Kaya lang amenities din naman doon is okay. Maganda naman.
You mentioned Kuya.
And then si Kuya, at siya yung naka-assign doon na staff. Tulong siya sa pagkarga ng mga gamit niya. Pagbaba ng gamit, sa pagbalik ng gamit niya. Siya yung naglilinis din doon. Ano pa mga Mami?
You don't need to worry kahit nasa labas yung gamit.
Ay, tsaka yung Kapugi, because nga, exclusive sa yung, yung area na yun. Hindi ka mag-worry na baka mawala yung gamit mo, or kahit nasa labas lang yung gamit mo, kahit di sa loob ng tent, no? Basically, wala namang snakes. Good thing, walang snakes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ba't kanina parang ako nakakita ng snake?
Huh? Saan?
Hindi. Yung sigaw mo sa spider. Diyos ko si Abby.
Maraming iba-ibang klaseng insects, mga bugs na nakikita natin. Pero may lamok din, pero there's a certain time na nawala rin sila, or baka dahil nga naglagay kami ng anti-mosquito lotion. We had dinner last night dun sa area namin. Sila daddy, no? Umakit sila kuya. Kaya yun nga, magandang area na yun. Good for, family, big family, or big groups. Mag-camping kayo doon. Tapos, yung area, meron kayong area talaga na kung saan kayo magdi-dinner, prepare your food, malinis na concrete.
But they have to bring tables
Yeah, but you have to bring your own tables.
and some chairs.
Yeah, and some chairs. Anyway, because that's camping, no? You have to bring your tables and chairs. Anyway, hindi kami na baka maubusan kami ng batteries or, kasi nga, you can charge your gadgets, you can charge your power banks, yung mga electric fans na the battery. Anyway, Kabugi, no? So, yung natin, yung ating campsite, no? Maganda. Malinis. And yung kailang naman, hotel, doon. Malinis, maganda. Bago pa yung mga gamit. No? Pati yung
May
toilet sila malinis.
Maganda yung connection ng internet.
Yeah, the internet is nice also. Now, although doon sa campsite, walang internet na wifi. Pero malakas sa signal doon ng dito, ng smart, Sun Smart. Hindi ko na sa Globe if may signal. Meron din siguro. So, ayun Kapugi. We already did our first vlog 2 weeks ago with a motorcycle vlog. Okay, so maybe next time is, naman siguro, pickleball. Hindi pa natin vlog ang pickleball. I think 1 month na rin tayo naglalaro ng pickleball. Okay, Kapugi. So, yung mga isa-shoutout natin, nandito naman lahat, no? Si Daddy, si Mami, si Day. So, yung mga kaibigan natin, no? Sa Supermoto Philippines and Supermoto Maniacs and Motor Gang PH. Shoutout sa inyo. Saka sa mga ka-club natin, no? Sa pickleball, ang Nomads Manila Pickleball Club, ang Neapolitan Brittany Pickleball Club, and UPAP, na University of the Philippines Alumni Pickleball Club. So, shoutout sa inyo and sa lahat ng kaibigan natin. Alright, so I guess we just can see each other again next time on our next vlog. Alright, Mami,
Bye for now.
Dane. Okay, Kapugi, that's all. See you
si
next
Yaya?
time. Uy, si Yaya pala. Oh, and also Yaya. Ha?
Walang energy. Energy!
Alright, see you next time mga Kapugi. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Woohoo!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!